Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Now today we're going to be dealing with some cool stuff within Windows Server 2016. We're going to be dealing with roaming profiles and home folders. So first we're going to be dealing with home folders. So guys, let's navigate to our file and click on this PC. Once you have this PC clicked on, go to your local disk C. And right inside your local disk C drive, you're going to right click and go on new folder. You name your folder home or anything that you want to name your folder, but for this I'll name mine home. Right click on the folder you created and go down to properties. Once there, you're going to go to your sharing tab and click on share. Now once there, you want to share this with everyone, so you're going to left click on this arrow and click everyone and add. Now you want to change read to read and write. Alright, once that's done, you share it and we have officially created our home folder. Alright, so you just click done, and what we can do is we could copy this network path. So let's copy it and let's go over to our users and computers. So tools, Active Directory, users and computers. I'm going to go in our users. Now if you don't have a user created, we can create a user one time. So what we're going to do, we're going to go in users. You could right click on a blank area and go on new and then user. Here you're going to input the username. So mine, I'll put Michael. Michael, last name David. David song into playing Davis. So Michael Davis, full name Michael Davis, initials MD, and user logon name where you'll use for the user to log on. I'll just put MD for short because you don't want to give the user any big kind of logon name. So I just put MD. Next. So the user login name that I've chosen is already in use. So okay, I'll just put Michael D. Michael, Michael D. Next, we're going to input a password. So make sure your password is strong, because if it's not, Windows it will prompt you to put in a strong password. So we want to make sure that user cannot change password. And next, once that is done, finish. Right, so we're going to right click on the user, go on properties, and we're going to go over to profile. Once at profile, you see which file have home folder. We're going to go to connect and paste which what we copied, which was the network path for the home folder. After which we're just going to backslash % user name % and click apply and okay. So one quick thing I didn't explain to y'all was the % username %. Just go back in properties and go back in profile. So the %, what the % username % does, it change username into the person name itself. So let me just do it back over for you all. So backslash % username %, and once you click apply, just click yes. Once you click apply, it automatically changes to the username, right? So just click OK. Now once that is done, what we're going to do, we're going to go over to one of our computers. On this computer, let me just log off quick and log back in, and we're going to log in as Michael D. So switch user, and password. So it's preparing the desktop. Now home folders allows you to create folders and stuff inside that network part on your computer, and once you go over to another computer, once that user has access to home folder or have access to the folder that you created, you can share with that person or so forth. Right, so what we're going to do, we're going to go on files, computer, and right here we see our network location, Michael D, our home folder. So our home folder have been created, right? And the next thing that we had to do is install and I say install, we had to set up our roaming profiles. I don't know why I said install though, like I'm so accustomed to installing things, I'm saying install. So for roaming profile, what we could do, we could go back into our C drive, right, and create a folder name roaming, right? So right here, new folder, I'm going to name this roaming, and it's the same procedure. You're going to right click on it, go in properties, go in sharing, share, I'm going to share it with everyone, add it, and make sure that it's read and write, share, and then done. Now just to make things easy, one time you just copy the network part, copy, close it, and we're going to go back into users and computers. We could use Michael D one time, go into properties, we're going back into profile, and for the user profile we're just going to paste that network part right there, same backslash, percent, username, percent, and click apply. You see that the name changed to the username. Once that is done, click OK. So what we're going to do, we're going to go and log into our next Windows 7 computer, and we want to switch user. We're going to log in as Michael. Okay, so one quick thing is that roaming profiles allows you to change desktop images, songs, allows you to create folders, and when you go into our next computer on the network, another computer that is on the network, every configuration that you have done on that computer, it will automatically, you automatically see the changes on whichever computer you go to once it's on the same network. So what we're going to do, we're going to create a few folders. We're going to go and personalize and change the background image. Let's give it a let's change this image to something. Alright, so yeah, let's give it that and save changes. So you see we have created 3 folders, new folder, 2, new folder 3, and we change the background image. So what we're going to do is we're going to log off of this Windows, and we're going to go on to our next operating system, which is this one, the Ultimate, and we're going to log in as Michael D. So once we log in, we should see that the background image have been changed. We should see the 3 folders that we created. Yeah, so you see the background image changed and the 3 folders that we created. I don't know why it changed back, but just now. Okay, let me like let me just change this background image, and let's create a new folder named game folder. Let's log off and let's go back into our old this Windows 7 operating system, and let's log in. So Roman profiles are really good to have in an organization. As you can see that the background image have been changed, like how we changed it in the previous operating system, and our folder that we created was game folder, and we have it over here. So as I was saying, Roman profile is a really good implementation in a workplace for like reasons where your computer crashed and you need another computer to work on with the same files that's saved, with the same configurations. You could just switch over to the next computer on the network, and whatever you have changed in configuration settings and stuff on that computer, you'll be getting it onto whichever computer you log onto the network. So thanks for watching my video. I hope it was educational, and I hope you come back to see more videos.